guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Look guys, I am super excited to share with you this week's vlog. Let's jump right into it. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How is everybody doing today? Happy hump day. Guys, I have so much to share with you today. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. So I have been getting my, well, as you know from last week, I have been getting my craft space organized. I've been putting stuff together. This has been a great week, guys. So I recorded myself putting together this new cabinet, well, little shelf thing that I put together yesterday. And then I also put together my desk came, guys. Whoop, whoop. Like, I'm super excited. It's like, it's officially, everything is coming together. My craft space. I have my dual craft desk area that I'm going to use for my embroidery machine and my sewing machine. So I didn't record myself putting that together because I did it like over a period of time. Well, not a period of time, probably like half a day, and I probably could have put it together faster than that, but I was like doing other things, watching TV, and then, baby girl, so I have to do things accordingly and, keep little small pieces out. But I put together my desk. Now, if you guys were with me last week, you remember how excited I was to get this desk and everything. Well, let me tell you something. I got the desk, and the number one thing I said, if you haven't checked my video out from last week, go back and check it out, because I talked about the desk drawer, the desk door having a little key to lock it, right? Because I have to be child-proof for my little mini-me. Guys, it did not have a lock. So I was like, wait a minute, I know. I looked at several sewing tables, desks, all kinds of things. So I know that I saw that it said it had a lock. I know it did. So I'm get back on Amazon. I'm looking through the pictures and I'm looking. You guys want to know what they were talking about? Yeah, reading is fundamental sometimes. Like, pay attention to what you're talking about, what you're actually looking at. The lock mechanism was for the rollers, the wheels for the desk, y'all. How did I mess that up? Like, how did I mess that up? I think I saw a lock, and I was like, because it has like a picture of a key. Like, who has a picture of a key for the locks, for the wheels? It actually had a picture of a key. And I'm going to try to, I should have read what it said underneath it. I'm going to screenshot it so you guys can see what I'm saying. I'll probably add it into the clip of my video. Guys, I was so like a whole dumb moment, right? And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to tell them that, because I talked about that little lock last week because I was so excited. And then here I am this week with no lock. Then I was like, you know what? I'm human. So what? I'm going to go ahead and share it, So yes, I messed up, but that's okay. That's okay. It's just going to be double time keeping baby girl out of my bedroom, or making sure, she's not in anything and stuff like that. I can probably I go to Lowe's and get like a little mini latch or something if she seems too curious, and put my own little mini lock on it. But I put it together. So I took a video and I took pictures so you guys can see the craft space where it's going to be at in my bedroom. So I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And everything has been going great. You know what I also forgot last week? I forgot to show you my end game picture of my laundry room. So this video is just all about me getting organized, right? So I'm just catching you guys up on how I've been trying to get my space together so I can kind of like settle in and get the practice in on my embroidery machine and my sewing machine. So I will take a picture of my shelves in my laundry room to show you how I just neaten it up and like organized it so much better. And then I also, actually, it wasn't my idea. I'm gonna go ahead and give credit where credit's due. Shout out to my mom, Dukes. Whoop, whoop. Shout out, Mom. So my mother watches a lot of HGTV shows, and then she watches this. Right now she's obsessed with this home designer or reorganization, help you redo your house or remodel your house or whatever, small spaces, on Netflix. So my mom, it was really her idea. So I kept saying, Mom, I gotta find a space to put like my finished products, like my stock for my t-shirts when I start stocking t-shirts, so I can have a section to keep it separate from my supplies, because I didn't want them mixed in together. I think that's what was making my area so crowded, right, in the laundry room, right? So my mom was like, I have a huge walk-in closet in my bedroom, for my clothes, and she's like, you know what, why don't you use the other side of your closet? So I was like, say it ain't so. I was like, good job, Mom. Good job. That's what I'm talking about. So I like cleaned out, vacuumed, because I was really just using that side of my closet for storage, just to throw stuff over there, throw clothes over there or whatever, I would just throw over there. So I wasn't using it. So I have like a whole half of a literally walk-in closet. So I can actually stack bins in my closet. So, when I get t-shirts, I can have them by size and by color. I'll have to get creative, although it's a huge space. I won't be able to have like every t-shirt color, size, or whatever, in my closet, but I will be able to do a lot with that side of my closet, with, t-shirts and finished product and stuff like that. So I have like 2 shelves, and then, the bottom of the shelves, the ones on the floor, I have those. So that whole space below, I have all that. So it's a really nice size closet. So I can use the other half, for my finished products and for like, my little mini warehouse, I guess you can say, as I build over time and I grow in my business and everything. So it's super exciting, to get organized and to see like where you're making space for your business. So it's just like, wow, you know what I mean? I just love how everything's coming together, What else have I also done? So I had my embroidery thread show up, my sewing machine thread show up, my stabilizer, my 505 spray. So it's Wednesday, and I had a long weekend. I was off from my full-time job last week. I really needed the days off to kind of just recoup and relax and spend that mommy time with my daughter. So I didn't do any practicing yet on either machine. So I will be doing that probably in the next few days, just trying different sewing patterns and folding and sewing and just getting a feel of the machine. And I'm going to do some already built-in designs on my PE800. So I'm super excited about that. Oh, guys, I'm just loving how this flow is going. Trust the process, y'all. Keep going. Things will fall into place, So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add in the clips to my videos, and so you can see what I've been doing over the last couple of days. Just want to go ahead and share that with you guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Did you guys like how it turned out? I really loved how the desk turned out, you guys. You know, it had some like kind of iffy reviews, like it was too wobbly, it was too this, it was too that. And I was really kind of up in the air. I kept going back to that one. I look at some other ones, then go back to that one because I really wanted it, you know, because I like how it closes up and I can tuck everything away so my daughter doesn't get into it. But, you know, I took my time and put that sucker together, and it's not wobbly. It's nice and sturdy. I really, really like it. I love, love, love it. Did you guys like how my little shelves, it's called a tidy shelf. I got it from Michael's, and it only came with five slots. And then you have that open space at the bottom. Now you can buy 5 more slots. It's like 15 bucks at Michael's. So right now I'm just gonna, you know, work with what I got. I put some cardstock in there. I put some permanent vinyl, some HTV in there that are actually the flat sheets, the 12 by 12s that I couldn't get to fit in the little drawers. So my little organization drawers, I have in there some backdrops that I'm using for props and stuff for my pictures. I had some practice fabric in there that, you know, that I'm going to be using, that I was using for sewing, embroidery, and for sublimation. And then I had a lot of heat transfer vinyl, as you can see. And then I think one drawer has some permanent vinyl in it. But you see me getting organized? Yes, I love it. So look, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Remember, stay positive. Keep creating. Keep posting. Keep promoting. Don't get discouraged. Even if you have a bad week, reach out to somebody and talk to somebody about it. Maybe take a break. But stay positive. Do not give up on your business or yourself. Believe in what you're doing and stay focused. Can't wait to talk to you guys soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Each and every week, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.